If you only use a UHF occasionally, only mount it when you need to go on trips, or you want to swap it from car to car, then look at this one from Oricom. The UHF310 plug and play is really compact, it's micro. The pack includes the UHF310 CB radio, suction bracket, the ANU025 magnetic mount antenna, and a 12-volt car charger. Watch how easy it is to install. Stick the unit on the windscreen with the supplied suction mount, then plug it into the cigarette lighter for power and pop the magnetic antenna on the roof. Then you simply turn it on and start talking. And of course, we're talking a massive 5 watts of power right here, which is exactly the same power as a fixed mount UHF CB radio. You can either flip it either way up and the display will adjust using the flip function. And there are 7 colour options at the press of a button for the backlit display as well. This ultra compact micro UHF CB radio pack is the perfect portable communication kit. With a full 5 watts of power and the standard 80 channels, it'll keep you connected. All Oricom radios are built tough and include a 5-year warranty. Check out oricom.com.au for your nearest stockist.